Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how I got $1 ticket from Memphis to Atlanta. If you are also interested in budget travel tips, continue watching this video. You must have heard of Megabus and its $1 ticket, but did you believe it? Or how much time did you actually get that ticket? Did you think it was pure luck or a marketing gimmick? Well, let me tell you, it's really very much a reality, and I was able to get this ticket for myself and my family. Not once, but twice. Yes, I was able to book three return tickets from Memphis to Atlanta for $12, which includes $5 for the booking fee. Is it really worth it? A 7-hour road trip for $12? Well, maybe. So, without much ado, let me show you how to do it. Open Chrome browser and go to incognito mode. If you don't know how to go to incognito mode, press Ctrl Shift N with focus on Chrome browser. I prefer incognito mode because this way one can be sure these booking sites are not storing cookies, which in turn can bump up your ticket rates. Now enter URL for Megabus, that is megabus.com, and press enter. This is the page you will get. Since I am in US, let me select that option. This is the standard booking page which will be displayed where you can enter from, to, and other dates. But this page will not guarantee you $1 ticket. The magic lies much deeper. Click on Explore and then Fare Finder from the menu bar. Yes, this is the magic. Read the marketing stuff if you want, or just click on Find Tickets button. It will ask you for your starting city. Megabus does not operate in all cities, so if your city name does not appear, well, hard luck. Since I am the lucky one who stay in Memphis, let me enter it here and press continue. I'll select weekend trip for now, and I'll select 1 as number of travelers. Just a note, I have noticed that $1 deal is not available or rarely available if number of travelers are more than 1. Seems I got lucky with the 3 traveler tickets, but you can try your luck. Since I do not have special needs, I'll click no on this option, and then Megabus will pop its deals now. For the month of March, these are the cheapest tickets one can get. Wait, were we not supposed to talk about $1 tickets? Then why am I showing this stuff? Okay, let's get flexible and check the next month options. These options for month of April, still no $1 tickets available. Let's check next month now. This one have $2 tickets. Now you see, with some planning, we are able to get cheaper tickets. Let me check for June. Let me check for June now. Oh, no $1 ticket available. Bad day for making my video. Anyway, let's go and click on the $2 ticket for Atlanta. Whoa, here we see $1 ticket. Nice. Megabus charge $2.50 for each transaction, which will make the effective cost of ticket as $3.50. Gosh, too costly, isn't it? There is no other hidden cost or change in service quality. Either you can take a printout or show the ticket on mobile and you are ready for traveling. If you want to reserve seats, there is an extra cost. So friends, this was my trick for getting cheap travel ticket. Do comment down below if you were able to make use of this trick. Also don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon. It will mean a lot to me. Okay guys, enjoy your budget travel. Bye.